Alright, so coffee in Indonesia. It's pretty good. I generally don't really like coffee that much. I don't know if this just means I'm an adult that I like the flavor of coffee now, or if the coffee here is actually better than what I'm used to. The thing that's interesting about it is if you see along the rim, like this is like the grain or whatever, grounds of the coffee, and this one's not that bad. There's not that much in it, but if you look, there's like a sludge at the bottom of the actual cup, and this one's pretty stirred up, but sometimes like, there we go, like that is just a sludge falling off. And sometimes you get a cup and there'll be like, you know, this much of it in the bottom of it, but it's tremendously flavorful. It's really good. So yeah, good times with the coffee. This pizza has got mozzarella cheese and pineapple and strawberries and apple.
And pineapple sauce.
And pineapple sauce, apparently. And that's what I'm having for breakfast. In the States we have sporks. But here they have spifes. I don't know if you can see, but that's it. Yeah, there we go. There's the teeth. There's the spoonage and the knifage. Spoonage, knifage. If they had just added sporkage to this, we'd have a sporkife.
We have a whole different breed of utensil.
Yeah, so I think that maybe East meets West and we could have the most ultimate utensil ever. Alright, our traditionally useless guidebook has gotten us completely lost. And we've had to ask a local for assistance in finding the entrance of this palace in Yogyakarta. And he is basically now hauling us through this tunnel, this dungeon, and it really, really is starting to look like he's just gonna kill us. So we'll see how this turns out. But if this is the last video you ever get from us, it was a good run.
These are real chicks. I'm not even fucking joking. I don't understand how. That's crazy. Welcome to Jungle Balls. And you are not the only one who's excited.
Here's our guest house in Yogyakarta, and I just really wanted to show you the paintings on the way down because they are nice. First off, you look at this guy. His expression is epic. Oh my god, I'm a pony! He's very excited. All his pony brethren. And then we come down yet another wall. And this is just some stupid birds. Who cares about the stupid birds? This is where the magic happens, though.
Why is that happening?
Yeah, why is that a painting?
We have arrived at the largest Buddhist temple in Southeast Asia called Borobudur. Now there's just a lot of people in front of it.
What's the temperature like?
It's pretty warm. I don't have the compass, but it's definitely 100.
It's pronounced thermometer. Okay, so we got out the thermometer and we're rolling at 110 degrees. So yeah, it's a little toasty out here.
Here, can you get the sweat? Can you get the sweat? It's fucking hot. These are extremely intricate carvings in the walls of Borobudur. This was done 1,200 years ago, you said? In 1880. And you can still see what's going on in them. It's pretty amazing.
880.
800.
Yeah.
Oh, 880. My bad. Alright, most people probably figured out that this looks a lot like Tetris. Why are the lines disappearing? Not really sure why this has been torn up, but it's really cool to see how they know how to piece things together. They basically make like a symbol and match it with the same color, and it's just, that's crazy. Like there's got to be 60 different symbols here, and then they've got to piece all that back together upside down, I guess?
Yeah.
No, I think that goes there, and then they clean it off. See how all the other ones are facing up too? Yeah, it's just sidewalk chalk at its best. The view from up here is pretty epic. Oh god, that scared the crap out of me, Eric. It's not even funny. I thought I was dying. It's like a 5-foot fall. You've ruined my shot. Anyways, the view is quite nice when people aren't terrifying you. How'd you get down there that quick?
I'm stealthy, like Spider-Man.
Did these people over here know you were doing that?
They probably had suspicions. Look around you.
Look around you. So we've been here for about a half an hour, and multiple groups of people have come up to us and asked for us to take pictures with them. And we're not really sure why this is happening. We understand that it's because we're foreigners, but we don't really understand why they're interested in taking pictures with us. So we've been making them use our camera too, so that we can get pictures, and here are some of the pictures that we got. So the picture taking has continued to where we've been surrounded by 3 groups that want pictures with us, and we've had to do group photos with several different family members from different families and stuff. It's been odd. It's almost like they've never seen a foreigner before. And maybe Eric's height may have a little bit to do with it.
I'm just gorgeous.
Gorgeous. But I don't know. This has never happened anywhere else.
We've literally just now been through an hour of photos. This is barrage of people, one after another, after another, after another, after a group, after another group of people just wanting to take photos with us.
And there's really no demographic to it. Like, there's small children that are like 5 or 6 up to, like, a lady sat next to me and she had to be like older than like
Time?
60s. Not time, but I mean she was probably in her 60s and wanted to take a picture with this. So I am astounded. It just seems like they've never seen anyone other than an Indonesian person in their life, and they're bored to death with their own race. So excited to see us.
It's so strange.
Really strange.
We really only got like a picture of maybe, like we tried to take pictures with all the people, but it got so overwhelming we just couldn't do it. So we got pictures of maybe a third of the people there were, and it just got to the point where we were MySpace shotting it because handing the camera to somebody was just too much work because there were so many photos being taken. But yeah, that's what we did today. We were exhibitions for
paparazzi.
For exhibitions for
Borbador.
Borbador.